It's working! This is crazy. Whoa, what's going on? First of all, thanks for watching the intro. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. The very, very green, blue elephant in the room. I haven't been able to drive it because it keeps killing batteries. And as you just saw, the voltage with the car on was 12 volts. And of course, 12 volts when the car's on isn't right. It should be around 13. That means the battery isn't charging. That means that the alternator isn't working properly. We actually had a few problems with the alternator on the tune. We went as far as changing the alternator at Brad's shop. That did not fix the issue. I mean, it did. We were still able to tune on the car, but the alternator just isn't working properly. So unfortunately, that means there's something going on with the wiring. I might have missed a plug or something like that. But the reason why we couldn't get this thing started in the first place was because I missed a plug. So maybe I've done something wrong. I'm excited because this thing sounds incredible on gate. It's an awesome car and I just want to get it fixed. So let's do it. I've tested for continuity and the continuity is correct and Bill's wiring is right. So the possibilities of me getting another dud alternator, I mean, we could have put another bad one in, which is strange because that's just bad luck. 2 bad alternators, that's just bad luck. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's going on. Unfortunately, we're having no luck with the Air Falcon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Bunnings and we're going to get some stuff to fix the AU Falcon. So if you guys aren't up to date with the AU, I binned it. Oh shit. Oh. I'll explain my ideas and my thought process into fixing this in a bit when we get back. But yeah, we need to go to Bunnings to pick up some stuff.
BinkySpec.com. Cop some merch.
Oh my god.
Buy the merch, baby.
Alright, well guys, we're at Bunnings now and I found myself some bar, alright? Yeah, I wouldn't call this bar, but this will fit perfectly in the frame of the AU Falcon. Whether it's going to work or not, I don't know, but we're definitely going to have to chop it down, but it's going to give us more leverage to pull out the frame. Worth a shot. What do you think, Lachlan?
Bruh. Look, I'm hopeful. It sounds pretty stiff, pretty strong. I reckon it'll work.
It'd be like, what do they call it when you're a horse? Like
a jouster.
Jouster. Long boy. I think we've gone a bit overkill, guys. Oh my god.
The real question is it going to work now?
We'll see.
The answer is yes.
They don't know my plan yet, so we'll see. If you haven't watched the previous videos on the AU Falcon, we discovered that the frame is pretty dang bent. We do have to bend it back in place, and I've come up with a little plan, and I've got confirmation from both of these boys that this is probably the best way that we're going to do it. Please ignore all this stuff.
Sorry.
Nay. So this is the front of the AU Falcon. These are the 2 frame rails, like that and like that. The crash bar was connected, but a couple days ago we removed the crash bar, so it currently just looks like this. Frame rail, frame rail. I took the crash bar off so we could... Do you want to do a drawing? These boys are laughing at me. Yeah, you do the diagram.
Let Picasso take the wheel. So you got your frame rail with the little flaps that we bent back, and another frame rail with the flaps that we bent back, right?
Why do we need to show the flaps?
Because that's a key part.
Everyone loves the flaps, mate.
And we got the little holes that we drilled out.
Okay.
The accurate drawing and connecting those 2 points. Connecting those 2 points was a crash bar that's now being drilled out.
So this out.
So this has been deleted.
So with only precision accuracy measuring, in the most scientific form, we obtained a massive long bar from Bunnings, as you can see. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick that in the frame rail as far as it can go. We're going to get it as deep as possible, and then we're going to use a ratchet strap on each side, tie one end of the car to a tree. There's your little tree. So we're going to tie the car to there, And then we're gonna pull each frame rail over to the side. How well this is gonna work, I do not know, but we'll see what happens. Only one way to learn, guys. Don't know what's going on, but this thing doesn't want to idle now that I've been in an accident with it. The engine mounts are also cooked. Maybe that's causing some sort of problem. I don't know. Uh-oh! Hey! Hey! Push it in. Lock them up. Hey! Oh!
I'm a frame machine.
Dude, it's almost bending with your... Look. Oh, tug it, tug it. Bro! It's bending with your arms!
Should I keep going?
Yeah?
Peter the frame mechanic.
Vulcan, get on it, get on it. we'll get on it. We're gonna try this first before we try a winch, but the thing was moving just with Peter's strength, so hopefully with 3 of us it should work. GG!
Tough freak.
You go on the end, Peter. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, dude, it's working! Go! Oh! That's it! Oh!
Yeah, stop.
It's working! We're bending it! So this is a different technique now. 3 of us couldn't actually pull the frame enough to be able to move it as much as we wanted to. So what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna bring it out on the street, which we've done, and then we're gonna get Peter to pull on the car. All right, so we got Peter here with his FGX. What we're gonna do is also loosen the subframe as well, because it's sort of holding the car from moving. And I think that's also what could have stopped it from us moving it. It's just 2 18 mils on the bottom. I'm just gonna loosen the nuts and hopefully we can pull it across, because I believe that's holding tension on the subframe and it's preventing it from moving. This is our knot situation. We've got, I don't know, the best knot on planet Earth.
Oh, fuck.
I'll scream at you, all right? Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Oh, stop. Woo! It's a lot straighter. Keep going.
Whoa.
Oh! All right, keep going. Stop. I think that's pretty good. Dude! AC line's sort of straight now with the rail, bro. Dude.
Some sketch shit.
Yes, it's working. Oh, dude! It's lining up now.
Tow car.
Stand up fully good.
Okay, yep. A bit more. Keep going. Oh, stop. Oh, yeah, back off. I wonder what that was. It all lines up. The main idea of leaving the fender loose was so that we could pull it to where the bolt would line up again, and the bolt has lined up again. So if I bolt this down now, it should be perfect. There's like a decent gap between the fender and the door. And before we had it rubbing.
Oh my god, it actually fixed it.
Dude, open the door, see if it still hits.
No way. No way. Yes. Douche.
I didn't think it would work this well.
This is so stupid.
Yeah, keep going. Yeah, stop. Man. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Back a bit. Keep going back. Ah, it's pulled it. Keep going. More. Stop.
Jesus.
Yeah, go back. Oh, dude, it lines up perfectly. Look at that.
And here too.
Dude.
No way.
Fucking funny.
This is crazy. It's working min. Dude, this is crazy. So I bought this bar for like $120 at Bunnings, and I thought it was going to be a bit of a rip-off and I was just going to lose money on this video, but it's worked mint. The AU's now straight again. Dude. Yeah, dude. So these coolant pipes were touching and they were rubbing before. Now look at that. Heaps of room, bro. Dude.
Yes.
Are you straight again, bruh?
Can't believe it, honestly. I'm so f***ing G'd up right now.
Whoa!
What do you got next time?
So I had to loosen the front subframe in order to be able to pull it in a proper way. If I had it all connected, then I would have been pulling both sides at the same time. And I didn't want to do that. I wanted to move them independently of each other because that's way more accurate, of course. And yeah, look, it's worked out mint. The car's actually lined up. I think I've already shown this so many times, but I'll show it again. Look at this. The bolt hole literally lines up. That was not the case before. It's crazy, yeah? Mm-hmm. Dude, it's actually crazy.
Very nice.
Well guys, it worked flawlessly. We actually got the frame very, very, very straight. I'm super happy. The fenders line up. The hood still doesn't line up fully. But what we need to do before we get the hood lined up is get new hinges anyway, because we smashed the hinges in the accident. The hinge actually came off on this side. I'm actually shocked how well that worked. What the hell? Everything bolts up. Everything's ready to go. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get both Falcons on the road. This one's pretty much ready to go. And that one just needs an alternator. You have 5 seconds to conclude. 5 seconds.
Thank God that the frame is now straight on the AU Falcon, thanks to my FGX Falcon and a massive pole. Buy the merch, baby.
An AU Falcon's made of tin foil, I swear, bro.